Hello everyone, welcome to RAR Tech.
Today we will be discussing how to open RAR files on your Mac. It's actually pretty easy, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I have my RAR file right here. To open it, we first need to download a special app. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner, and in the drop-down menu, select App Store. When the App Store opens, it will look something like this. Now, click on the search bar in the top left corner and type in the unarchiver. Once you search for it, it should be the top result. It'll have a little icon like this. Now, click on it. You can view more information here if you want. To download it, scroll to the top and click the Get button. Now, mine shows a cloud button because I've downloaded it before. Okay, now that we've downloaded the unarchiver, we can close out of the App Store. Now, this is important. We need to open the unarchiver to make sure a setting is enabled so we can actually open those RAR files. So, I'm going to open my Launchpad and open the unarchiver. When you open it, it will look like this. Now, simply make sure RAR Archive is selected. It usually is by default, like it is here. But if it's not selected, you won't be able to open those RAR files. Now we've done that, we can exit out of the unarchiver. Alright, finally, to open the RAR file, right-click on it. In the context menu that pops up, hover over Open With, and select the unarchiver. If you don't see it listed there, select Other. And find the unarchiver in the list of applications here. Once you found it, select it and then really important, tick the box that says Always Open With. Then, click Open. This will unarchive or extract the RAR file. And as you can see, the extracted folder has now appeared on my desktop. We can close Finder now if we want. And as you can see, the test folder and all its contents have been extracted. If we open up the test folder, you can see I can now access everything inside. I can start using it just like I normally would. And because we've extracted the contents from within the RAR file, we can now go ahead and delete the original RAR file from our Mac if you want to, just to clean things up. And that's it. So, if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to RAR Tech for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.